Hello and welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. Today, we're diving into a detailed problem from Class 11 Chemistry. Question 2.17 will be calculate. Calculate the wave number for the longest wavelength transition in the Balmer series of atomic hydrogen. Answer: for the Balmer series, Ni equals 2. Thus, the expression of wave number is given by wave number sadface 1/2 power 2 minus 1 n slash 2 power f 1.097 by 10 power 7 m power minus 1. Wave number is inversely proportional to wavelength of transition. Hence, for the longest wavelength transition, wave number has to be the smallest. For wave number to be minimum, Nf should be minimum. For the Balmer series, a transition from Ni equals 2 to Nf equals 3 is allowed. Hence, taking Nf equals 3, we get wave number sadface 1/2 power 2 minus 1/3 power 2 1.097 by 10 power 7 power minus 1. Wave number sadface 1/4 minus 1/9 1.097 times 10 power 7 power minus 1. Wave number equals 1.5236 times 10 power 6 m power minus 1. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to We Dared Chemistry for more educational content. Have any questions or want to learn more? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.